Sorry, what's your name and what's your role with VA?
My name is Marcin and I'm working for Victoria Arduino as a technical manager.
Right. Do you mind telling us a few things about this machine in particular, but the VA machines in general, about how efficient they are and how they are different technologically?
Yeah, so that's a brand new coffee machines, brand new technology. So the main thing is to save as much energy as we can and heat water in more efficient way. So every machine, for most of the people, every machine is the same. Has a boiler, has a steam group pump, just heats the water, produces the pressure and coffee appears. And of course that all is closed in different shelves. But how we can achieve the same compared to the other brands, but putting less energy, it's a story behind. So first thing is a thermal energy recovery system. Electric motor which is wrapped with the coil which does two things. Cool down the motor, but at the same time heats up incoming water. So the electric motors, like most of electric motors, bearings, magnetic field generated heat. The same here, every single electric motor with pump will generate the heat. So we cool down the motor for better efficiency, but also at the same time use that heat to preheat the water which comes to the system. So we don't use extra energy to heat the water, we're just using energy which we use to spin the pump. The second tier system is fitted in the waste bowl. So after each brewing, when the brew doing extraction is stopped, each machine discharge the pressure through the exhaust. And most machines spray that water straight into the pipes, warming the drains. We not. We are reuse that energy which we already spent to heat the water. So the hot water which is discharged from the brew, it's direct on the tier system, very simple coil, and we can recover up to 7% of energy. So altogether, the way how electronic control the brew head and coffee boiler, how they balance the energy, is all in total up to 30% less energy spent on our machine compared to the other brand or our previous generation models. Also, materials we use. It's not virgin metal for our machines. It's all recyclable materials used to build machine, but also at the end of the life you can recycle materials.
Can you talk a bit about how you can use this machine for filter coffee?
Yes, so this is not anymore espresso machine. We can make a filter coffee which we call pure brew, and also we can brew a tea. We use a cone filter to make a pure brew. It's a pretty coarse coffee. This machine can be easily switched between espresso or pure brew within pressing a button. Pure brew technology is the way how we deliver the water to the coffee. It's more or less like you pour over by force. It's not pressurized. You can hear the clicks, the magic, and the electronic just deliver a coffee, the water within the right algorithm. Also, this is a gravimetric, so brew by weight, so the scales are built in. Press the button. We've got 3 stages: blooming, main infusion, and post infusion as well. There you go.
Is this available for the Prima as well?
Yes. Since we released Pure Brew, people start asking about something which we can make at home. So a couple of some time back, we start thinking about implement this technology to the Prima. And now we got a Prima EXP, which does a pure as well.